confidence. Confidence is the foundation of success in all aspects of life, from relationships to career advancement. It's not just about looking the part, it's about embodying self assurance in a way that naturally commands respect and admiration. Many men struggle with confidence, often because they rely on external validation rather than developing an unshakable belief in themselves. If you want to become a confident man, you need to develop a strong mindset, take action, and cultivate the habits that make confidence a natural part of you, of who you are. Here's how to do it to build your confidence as a man. One is develop a strong mindset. Confidence starts in the mind. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. You must train your mind to see yourself as capable, worthy, and deserving of success. If, for example, you walk into a room full of successful people and immediately you feel inferior, challenge that thought. Remind yourself that everyone has their own journey and you bring value to the table just as much as they do. Instead of thinking, I don't belong here, tell yourself, I have every right to be here and contribute. The second thing that you can do in order for you to build your confidence as a man is to take control of your body language. Take control of your body language. Your body language speaks before you do. Standing tall, making eye contact, and maintaining a firm handshake exudes confidence. On the other hand, slouching, avoiding eye contact, and fidgeting signal insecurity. If you are on a date and you keep looking down or shifting uncomfortably, the woman will pick up on your nervousness. Instead, sit back. Maintain relaxed eye contact and speak with a steady, calm tone. This instantly makes you appear more confident and attractive. Now, the third thing for you to do in order for you to build your confidence is to improve your physical fitness. Improve your physical fitness. A strong body contributes to a strong mind. When you take care of your physique, you naturally feel better about yourself. Strength training, eating well, and maintaining good posture all play a role in boosting your confidence. If you are hesitant to approach women because you feel out of shape, commit to a fitness routine. As you start seeing progress in the mirror, you will naturally feel more self-assured, and that confidence will translate into other areas of your life. The fourth thing you can do in order for you to build confidence as a man is master a skill and own it. Confident men are men of competence. Whether it's a professional skill, a hobby, or even social dynamics, mastering something gives you an edge and a sense of self-worth. For example, if you're an average public speaker but want to improve, take a course, practice daily, and challenge yourself to speak in front of groups. As you gain skill, your confidence will grow, making you more charismatic and influential in any setting. Now, the fifth thing is eliminate negative self-talk. Do not talk down on yourself. What you tell yourself matters. If your inner voice is constantly criticizing you, you will never build real confidence. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. How? Instead of saying, I am not good at talking to people, shift your mindset to, I am learning to communicate better every day. Reframing your self-talk helps you push past insecurities and develop an unshakable belief in yourself. What is the sixth thing you can do in order for you to improve your confidence? Is face your fears head on. Avoidance fuels insecurity. If you are afraid of social situations, rejection, or failure, the only way to overcome it is by confronting it repeatedly until it no longer controls you. If you fear rejection from women, challenge yourself to strike up casual conversations with strangers every day. Over time, you will become desensitized to rejection and start seeing it as a normal part of life instead of something to fear. Number 7 is dress the part. How you present yourself affects how you feel about yourself. Dressing well doesn't mean wearing expensive clothes. It means wearing clothes that fit well, that are clean and enhance your appearance. If you go to an event in wrinkled clothes and worn out shoes, you will definitely feel less confident compared to when you show up in a well-fitted outfit with polished shoes. When you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you project confidence. Number 8 is set and achieve goals. You want to build your confidence, set and achieve goals. Confidence grows through accomplishments. Set small goals and achieve them consistently. This builds momentum and reinforces your belief in your abilities. If you have always wanted to start a side business, don't wait for the perfect moment. Set a small goal, like researching your market or creating a plan, and take action. The more you achieve, the more confident you become in your ability to succeed. Number 9 is surround yourself with strong, positive people. This always works. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you surround yourself with negative, insecure people, their mindset will rub off on you. Instead, be around people who inspire, challenge, and support you. If your current friend group constantly complains about life and never takes action, find a circle of ambitious, driven individuals who push each other to be better. Their energy and mindset will elevate your own confidence. The 10th thing you can do is to stop seeking validation from women. Stop seeking validation from women. A confident man doesn't need constant reassurance from women. He knows his worth and doesn't let his self-esteem depend on external approval. If a woman doesn't text back immediately or seems disinterested, instead of over-analyzing and chasing her, he continues living his life. Women are naturally drawn to men who are secure in themselves and don't need their validation. Number 11 is speak with purpose and clarity. Speak with purpose and clarity. How you communicate affects how others perceive you. Confident men speak with clarity, avoiding filler words like and all those things. They get to the point and own their words. Example, if you're in a meeting and someone asks for your opinion, do not hesitate or mumble. Speak clearly and assertively. Even if you are unsure, people respect men who communicate with conviction. Number 12, if you want to build your confidence as a man, is to learn to handle rejection gracefully. Rejection is a part of life, and confident men understand that it doesn't define their worth. Instead of fearing it, they see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. If you approach a woman and she turns you down, so instead of taking it personally, smile and move on. Confidence isn't about never facing rejection. It's about not letting rejection shake your self-esteem. Do not let rejection shake your self-esteem. The next thing is take responsibility for your life. Blaming others or external circumstances for your failures weakens your confidence. Take full ownership of your life and you will feel more in control. If you are not where you want to be financially, instead of blaming the economy, take responsibility by learning new skills, networking, and finding ways to improve your situation. This sense of control fuels confidence. Number 14, develop a strong sense of purpose. You want to be confident, develop a strong sense of purpose. Men who have a clear purpose in life radiate confidence. When you know what you want and pursue it relentlessly, people respect and admire your drive. If you have a passion for fitness, for business, or a creative field, pursue it with dedication. When you are engaged in something meaningful, you naturally develop a magnetic presence that attracts respect and admiration. You naturally create a magnet that attracts respect and admiration. Building confidence as a man isn't about pretending to be someone you are not. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It requires effort, discipline, and a commitment to growth. When you develop a strong mindset, master your emotions, and take control of your life, confidence will become second nature. The world respects a man who knows his worth. So step up, take action, and own your confidence. Thank you for watching. Bye.